Hello guys, what's up? This is your guy VR and you're watching Vishnu Reddy vlogs. Hello guys, so today I am going to tell you something very important, very interesting. That is how to camp, okay? We are in some random location, not just a random location. This location is called LAMBASINGI. So I'm just going to explain how are we camping here and how did we reach here. This is some particularly dedicated vlog for camping. Actually, we came from Hyderabad till LAMBASINGI on bikes and we bought our own tents from there, okay? If you remember, I have done a vlog on Decathlon tents. I am using the same tent and I also have some other friends who bought their own tents and we were camping. I'll just show you how we did, how to set up everything. This is LAMBASINGI and this is their own business. They have their own tents. If you can't make it with the tents till here, they have their own tents. They are charging only 500 rupees per tent. Okay, so that is their setup. Coming to our place. Yeah, these are our own 4 tents. So we just came from there. That is the entrance. I'll just say the name. That is Kasita, Kasita. So as I told you, this is Kasita camping spot. This is just exactly LAMBASINGI center will be there, right? A circle. From circle you have to come only 3 kilometers and your viewpoint will be that side. But this is the best spot. They're giving it for very cheap. Believe me, trust me, it is very cheap compared to other camps. We also have small bathrooms over there and you can put your phones and chargers, everything over there. They have like around 10 ports for charging and one small bathroom. You know, right? Obviously that will be not as good as hotels, but definitely this is the greatest experience you can ever have once in your lifetime. Yeah, 4 to 5 bathrooms are there, but this camping setup ఎప్పుడైనా వచ్చి మనము రూమ్స్ తీసేసుకుంటాం, బట్ ఇలాంటి ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఒక్కసారన్నా చేయాలి లైఫ్లో, అది చెప్తున్నా. సో యా, మీ బైక్స్ మీ దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ కార్ అండ్ if you have a tent, imagine how beautiful it would be with all the songs. Enjoy bro. So all the best. So all the best, have fun, but stay very safe. Roads are very dangerous here, only single ways, just be careful. So these are our tents and these are our bikes. Look at this bike, completely loaded. Mottam illu undi ee bike meeda. There is a full setup here and this is obviously Pawan's bike and this is one Expulse and look at here, that's my beauty Dhruva. So coming to the tents, it is very easy. We have one 3% tent and 3 2% tents, okay? Simply we just bought our tents on bike. You can, if you roll now, this tent will become literally this size, okay? Just you can simply place it on your back seat and tie it. That simple it is, and it is very lightweight. We literally came at 8:30. Yeah, 8:30, night 8:30, and we just simply place the tents over here. And you need to get your own bed sheets, because now if you see this land, we have all this. So that is a hell of problem. Last night I faced that problem. Yeah, if you have sleeping bag, that is definitely a plus point. So you can see, right, our Pawan bro is sleeping peacefully. Actually, we had a beautiful trekking. That video will be uploaded tomorrow or on the next vlog. See here, we have our bags inside and our guys are sleeping happily. So I'll give you a tent tour how it will be. Okay, see how big it is. Okay, 3% ka tent it is, and we have 2 layers for it. This is the inner layer, okay, which will keep you warm in the nights. And see, they are very tired. And this is the outer layer which protects you from rain. This is a rainproof cover which will come above the tent, okay? We also did a campfire. They were a little far. We placed all the tents a little bit far away, and then we placed it bonfire over there, and we had our beautiful dinner. That was excellent. And you know something, one of my dream from last 2 years was to place my camp just beside my bike, and last night my dream got fulfilled and I'm very happy for that. Look at this. Thank you everyone who made this possible. See guys, I'm doing all this just for you. I mean, I can enjoy myself. I can just put Instagram stories and reels. That's But why I'm doing all this is just to give you a lot of knowledge about this and also entertain you. So all I need is one thing: just like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. That's it. If you want to share it, if you like it, just share it. If you don't like it, just leave it. But please like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all these things. Yeah, nothing much. You can see the location as well. This is Lambasingi. I hope you like this location. The famous point at Lambasingi is Lambasingi viewpoint, which will be above the sky. Okay, you can see the sky, right? We went above that. It is almost 1.5 hours of trekking. That will be, the video will be uploaded soon. So kindly wait for that. Stay subscribed, stay happy, stay healthy. Just like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know the name, Vishnu Reddy Vlogs. Signing off. Thank you. Bye.